All right, so you get yourself a glass of water. Get your wood epoxy. Always have this when you for your tool of choice and your fingers, so that wood epoxy doesn't stick to your fingers at all. Okay. All right, so I got two larger pallets here that I will use in this because we're doing with such a bigger area. And yeah, let's take our hands and put the glasses on. When it comes to these, we're going to be using most of this. So I'm just going to, if you see it discolored like that, just take off, careful when you do this, okay? Just take off the first part, okay? And then use enough to work around. So let's say, let's leave this one till last. Let's go on to this one here. Okay, so now I gotta actually show you. So this is a 3/16. All right. So give you an idea. I'll just give you a couple of shots here. Keep in mind, there's a screw going in here and a screw going in here, which they seem to miss quite a lot. So we'll see where it lands. Okay, so I'm gonna just take it here. I'll probably get it right here. I'll put it on an angle. Slow drill. Go in like a ½ inch. Maybe you should do this part before you tape it, just so that you won't stick in here. But we can still clean this up. It's still gonna go nice and flat. So I'll get a blade and clean it up. But that was my foresight. I kind of missed that. So yeah, do the drilling before you tape up, because we're gonna have issues all the way across right now. Okay, so I got 2 anchors there, and that's what I'm gonna leave for there. And then I'm gonna make sure you see this here. Okay. And then I'm actually gonna do one right here, really carefully now. Get it started. Okay, make sure you're above here on an angle. Don't put a lot of pressure. Okay, so that's a major anchor there. So that's where I'm gonna leave it, because I'm gonna let the Bondo, I'm gonna let the wood epoxy adhere to the rest of it. We have enough grab here that it's not gonna go anywhere.
Stop. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.